think that you have to go to college to get a job that you can be proud of. But it's important to understand that going into the manufacturing field can be just as rewarding. Just imagine doctors open doors every day to get into the building to see their patients. Teachers also enter doors to educate their students, but who makes it possible to open the doors? It could be you if you decide to begin a career path with Rockwood Manufacturing.
I am Chris Lodisi. I am the robotics and automation technician. What I like probably most about it is we have the ability to do anything that we really want. So if we need to implement new processes, to me it's pretty challenging to figure out what needs to be done.
Yeah, my name is Kimberly Davis. I've been at Rockwood for 30 years and I work in the packaging shipping department. I don't work weekends, I don't work evenings, we get paid holidays. So that are just some of the perks, but yeah.
Rockwood Manufacturing was founded in 1946 by the Grisenda family in Rockwood, Pennsylvania. In 2008, the company teamed up with ASSA Abloy. They specialize in making custom and standard door pulls, push and pull bars, door stops and bolts, protection plates, or as you may have heard, kick plates, and other specialty door trim hardware for commercial buildings. Employees include men, women, and robots. So next time you open a door to go in or out a building, or push on a plate to open the restroom door, remember working in a manufacturing could be the door you open for your career.